Hello, class 7. Uh, yes, we were doing chapter 5 verbs, and we have completed a discussion on the main verbs, auxiliary verbs, and the different kinds of verbs. Yes, I gave you a video and explained you all about transitive and intransitive verbs, and even finite and non-finite verbs. Today we are going to discuss regular, irregular verbs and the remaining kinds. Okay, so the verb which takes suffixes ed or t in change of their forms of verbs are called regular verbs. ठीक है, जो वर्ब्स या फिर ईडी या टी पे चेंज होता है उसे हम लोग रेगुलर वर्ब्स कह सकते हैं. जैसे कि टाई, ईडी ऐड हुआ है, टाइड. ओके, कॉल, कॉल्ड, एडमायर्ड, सिलेक्टेड, लीन, so it should be lent, lent. Okay, educate, educated, desire, desired. The verb which changes, okay, their forms either to past or past participle by adding ed or t to the root verb is called regular verbs. ठीक है, जो verb में ed या t ऐड होता है at the end of it, ठीक है, उसे हम लोग regular verbs कहते हैं. Irregular verbs are actually they are commonly changed in their forms are called इरेगुलर वर्ब्स. सो वो क्या हो जाते हैं, कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो जाते हैं जब भी वो अपना फॉर्म चेंज करते हैं टू पास्ट और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, लाइक ईट, एट, ईटन, ड्राइव, ड्रोव, ड्रिवन, स्पीक, स्पोक, स्पोकन. ठीक है, ये सारे पूरे बॉक्स इफ़ यू गो थ्रू यू विल सी दे चेंज कम्प्लीटली, लाइक डू, डिड, डन, गिव, गेव, गिवन. सो जो वर्ब्स अपना फॉर्म चेंज करते समय कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो जाते हैं उसे हम लोग इरेगुलर वर्ब्स कहते हैं. समझ में आया? सो इज़ दैट क्लियर? So verbs which changes to ed or t while changing their forms are known as regular verbs. Verbs which change completely while changing their forms are known as irregular verbs. So यहाँ पे कुछ list है, if you could see in this page, regular verbs. So just go through it. ठीक है, just go through it. एक बार ध्यान से देख लो. It's quite easy to understand. Okay, in this page also you have regular. These all page comprises of regular verbs. Okay, and yes, in the last this page you have irregular verbs. Just go through it and it's important to understand. ठीक है, ज़्यादातर regular verbs is quite easy to change, but irregular verbs you have to understand, you have to know the words, the verbs. So ये इसको अच्छे से memorize कर लो. Okay, this particular irregular verbs, yes, you have many. Just go through them. ठीक है, and try to learn them. Okay, next kind is kind of auxiliary verbs. Now auxiliary मैंने बोला है ना, auxiliary is helping verbs also. So there are two kinds of auxiliaries, that is primary and modal. Primary auxiliaries क्या होती है, जैसे the verbs which are different forms of main verbs. जैसे कि वो main verbs के different forms होते हैं, like do verbs, be verbs, have verbs are called primary auxiliaries. जैसे कि do से did, do, did, does, according to the tense of the sentence change होता है. be form of verb is, am, are, was, were. ठीक है, has, have, had, ये have की verb होती है. ठीक है, so form of verbs. Now there are the verbs which are formed by combining different forms of have and be are called compound verbs, like has been, have been, had been. इसे हम लोग compound auxiliaries कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मॉडल auxiliaries. मॉडल auxiliaries क्या है, द वर्ब विच कैन एक्सप्रेस वेरियस मोड्स ऑफ वर्ब्स आर कॉल्ड मॉडल auxiliaries, like can, could, may, might, must, out, to, shall, should, will, would, used to, need, dare, etc. ये सब क्या है, मॉडल auxiliaries है. ये इट्स क्वाइट ब्रॉड. ठीक है, ये टॉपिक क्वाइट ब्रॉड है टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट फर्स्ट इन द बेसिक्स यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि किसको क्या बोला जाता है. प्राइमरी auxiliaries क्या होती है, कंपाउंड auxiliaries क्या होती है, मॉडल auxiliaries क्या होती है, एंड इवन द कैजुअल auxiliaries. कैजुअल auxiliaries आर दोज द वर्ब्स दैट द वर्ब्स गेट, have and make in association with other main verbs convey a sense of causation by the subject are called casual auxiliaries, like use of get. ठीक है, use of have, use of make, ये सब क्या है आपका casual auxiliaries है. And see, here are certain exercises given in this book, so which I don't find मतलब उतना worthful है. So we will not do this. So I have crossed out, you also cross out this. Exercise A will not be done, exercise B also will not be done. Yes, we will do exercise number C and exercise number E. D is also missing. Wow. This book is great. After C, they have given E. Okay, we'll do exercise number C. Fill in the blanks using suitable verbs. So, Nepal, you see the verbs are already given. So, according to the tense of the sentence, you have to use it. Okay, Nepal lies in the north of India. We were present in the class yesterday. Okay, I do not have enough money. The teacher teaches us in the school. The dog barks at the stranger. All the natural scenes look beautiful. I admire beauty of nature. The boys laughed at the poor man. Our team did well in the playground. My neighbors scolded their old my neighbors sold their old house. Yes, and this is complete the following table. So why I have asked you to learn, because exam में भी ऐसा कोई टेबल आ सकता है जिसमें आपको फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स चेंज करनी होंगी, सो दैट यू शुड डू. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो 2 वर्ड्स मैंने स्ट्राइक आउट कर दिए बिकॉज इट्स रिपीटेड. ठीक है, वो बार बार रिपीट हुए इसलिए मैंने उसको चेंज कर दिया है. सो व्हाट यू डू, यू ऑल्सो चेंज देम एंड राइट दिस डाउन इन योर एक्सरसाइज कॉपी. ठीक है, अपने जो आपके स्कूल की लैंग्वेज कॉपी उसमें लिखना है दीज 2 एक्सरसाइजेज ओनली. इफ पॉसिबल आई फॉरवर्ड सम मोर एक्सरसाइजेज. इफ नॉट विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, चलो, क्लियर. प्लीज गो थ्रू द वीडियो एंड अंडरस्टैंड द एक्सप्लेनेशंस एंड राइट डाउन द वर्क दैट आई हैव आस्क्ड यू टू. ओके, चलो, टेक केयर एंड थैंक यू क्लास.